Hi everyone, in this video, we will review Sakerplus Dashcam. The Sakerplus Dashcam is a dual-channel recording device priced at $48.99, designed to provide simultaneous front and in-car video capture for everyday driving, cab use, and family vehicles. It offers multiple configuration options including dual recording for front and rear, dual recording for front and interior, triple recording covering front, rear, and interior, and each of these is available with or without a 32GB memory card included. The front camera records in 1080p Full HD, and the in-car camera also captures at 1080p. The interior-facing camera can be rotated 180 degrees to cover different angles inside the vehicle. Both feeds are displayed simultaneously on a 3.16-inch IPS screen, allowing the driver to monitor both the road ahead and the vehicle interior at the same time. For low light and nighttime performance, the front camera features infrared night vision that ensures full HD capture in both day and night conditions. The interior camera is equipped with 3 dedicated infrared LED fill lights that accurately capture the driver and passengers even in complete darkness, making it particularly useful for rideshare and cab drivers who operate during night hours. The 24-hour parking monitor function activates automatically when a collision or bump is detected while the vehicle is stationary, triggering recording without any manual input. In parking mode, the device supports continuous 24-hour recording with a time-lapse function. It is worth noting that the recorder powers off when the engine is turned off, and a separate step-down cable connected to the car battery is required by the user to maintain power supply in parking mode. Loop recording is built in, which means the device records continuously and automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card reaches capacity. The camera supports micro SD cards of up to 64GB, and a 32GB card is included in the bundle configurations that specify memory card inclusion. Installation is straightforward and compatible with 12-volt vehicles. The camera connects to the cigarette lighter for power and mounts to the windshield using the included suction cup, making the setup process quick and accessible without professional installation. Overall, the Sakerplus Dashcam is a budget-friendly dual and triple-channel recording solution that covers front, rear, and interior capture with infrared night vision, 24-hour parking monitoring, and loop recording, making it a practical and accessible option for drivers who want reliable vehicle surveillance at an affordable price. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.